Hello YouTube. So in this video I'm going to be changing the engine mount on my 997 Turbo. It's 2007, so the car's over 10 years old, and of course the rubber parts on the factory mounts probably stretch and worn. So I'm replacing it. I actually ordered two different mount. This is the factory here over here on my right. And then the next day I decided I'm going to upgrade to a stiffer version, which is this one on my left, which is a 964 RS mount. And there's also a semi-solid mount that you could upgrade to, but I was concerned that it might add a bit more noise and vibration than I would like, since I do drive this on the street also. So the plan is to support the engine with a jack and place it right on the crankcase, right about there, with a piece of wood or a hockey puck, and then there's a bolt on the bottom, one single bolt, and then the engine mount is right there on the right side, and there's the other one on the left side, and there's a couple bolts, one there and one on the other side that you can't see, that holds it in place. Okay, so I got both sides of the hoses removed. They just slip off after loosening the hose clamp, and same with this. It was a little tight, but it just slips off. Okay, so I got all three bolts removed. The bolt on the bottom, that was a little bit that was pretty tight. I had to use an impact wrench. It's probably a good idea to spray some lubricant before trying to remove it. And then I got the two bolts removed, and I could see it's loose now. I could lift it up. So okay, as you can see, I got it out pretty much. I had to lift this air box out of the way and slide it to the side a little bit. It just lifts up, and then twist it off and finagle it. Okay, like I suspected, this is the old one, and you can see it's stretched comparing to the replacement here on the left. And so I'm gonna put, like I mentioned earlier though, I decided to go with this type, which is a slight upgrade, as it's going to be a little firmer without being too harsh. So I'm going to go ahead and install the upgraded replacement. Installation should be the reverse of the removal. I'm going to start by tightening this bolt to 63 foot-pound, and then these other two bolts don't need to be very tight. They're about 25 foot-pound. Okay, so I got it in place. I'm just gonna tighten these two bolts to about 23 foot-pound, and then go to the bottom. Probably gonna need someone to help me hold this on top while I tighten it on the bottom with a torque wrench to 63 foot-pound. Also notice the factory bolt, the two bolts on top, has a blue thread locker, so probably a good idea to use that. Okay, I got one side done, as you can see there. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and again the same process.